What's up everybody? Today in this video I'm going to be building a cubby for a bathroom to install in place of where an old 1955 heater used to be. It actually is still there. I'm going to take it out. It still works even, but it's not practical, it's rusted out, it needs to go. I'm modernizing this place. So check it out and remember to subscribe. This used to be an old heater. I'll put up a little video of what it used to look like. This is now what it looks like. Someday I'm planning on putting maybe a toilet paper holder here because currently it's over here really close to the shower, which I personally would find a little offsetting. So I think it'd be a lot nicer to put it over here. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I'm really happy about this place. Thank you for watching the bathroom remodel in my very first investment property. Again, if you enjoyed this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms. We're even providing a little scented candle here for him, some bleach for the toilet, you know. Just something a nice landlord would do, right?